Hello! Today is the day before my 35th birthday. We're going to Baguio and Benguet. Let's see. Today the weather is great. And we are driving using the new car. Let's go, BYD! Baka naman! I'm with my friend, syempre, the driver, as always. This is our first long trip as a married couple. Tama ba? Cut! Okay, merong objection here a while ago. Is it considered yung Tagaytay a long drive? I guess yung mga long trips talaga na pupunta pa kami ng Benguet, tapos mag-overnight pa kami for 3 days. So with that, here we go. We have a vlog. Now we went to Zambales, Lake Mapanuepe, also in La Union. But we're not married yet by then. No, ta-da! Love Susie from Sarah's by Kim. Yay! So let's go. We are now at T-Plex. And akala ko walang mga establishments here. Meron on the south side, pero north wala. Kaya as a wee person, I need to manage what I drink. So para sa mga long drive wee girls or boys, meron mga items na you can bring along para easier kayo, at peace kayo when driving for a long trip. Hello, we are back in the vlog and now we're running at 105.
I can go up but may kotse.
Yeah, and Pre is at the cruise feature of the BYD. Yeah! Honestly, we are running stable. It's so good to be here in this car because yung Santa Fe na car ni Derek previously, at 100 plus, nanginginig na kami. But now we are sitting well here. Thank you, Lord, no?
I'm at 110.
Oh no, we're at 110! Let's go. Doesn't feel like, yeah. Imagine yung other lane, ganyan nakabilis, no? Pero on our side here, it's just okay. We're having BYD hybrid. So now we are at HEV because yung unang 100 charge namin naubos na at 80 kilometers.
115.
Oh no, pre! Don't make it faster. I'm so scared.
120.
We are 119 and I guess, yeah, we're okay. We're good. Sana hindi lang biglang pumreno yung mga nasa harap namin.
They're just as fast, eh?
Yeah. We're still okay cruising at T-Plex. BYD, baka naman. Dakdoy is enjoying the cruise! Looking outside. Sana all.
125, 126.
Yes, boom! We just passed the halfway mark going to Baguio. For information, as kami, na mga technical people on driving, ngayon, ang kalahati ng papuntang Baguio from QC is welcome to T-Plex.
Kaya magto 2,000 kilometers na rin tayo.
Yeah, that's also a milestone for us. BYD is going to be in 2,000 kilometers in 2 months. No? 2,000 kilometers for 2 months. Yung update, nakakatawa kasi I mentioned that a while ago na nabobore ako sa T-Plex. Sabi ko, as we pass kanina, akala ko T-Plex na yun pala, simula pa lang ng T-Plex. C-Tex pala yung dinaanan kasi we are now in Santa Luisita part. Let's go. Meron pa kaming 124 kilometers going to Baguio. And sinasabi ko rin kay Derek, medyo natatanaw na namin yung bundok na aakyatin namin going to Baguio. So yun lang. Comment below if you agree kung naboboringan din kayo sa T-Plex. Joke lang.
The road is bad na.
The road is bad.
Ang pangit na. Kanina, sarap,
Oh
diba?
no.
Parang...
This is a driver's comment. Pagdating namin ng T-Plex, boom! Hindi smooth ang driving. But yeah. See. Going to 2,000 kilometers.
Oh!
Wow!
As I often do, but every song must end.
We are currently checking our elevation because nagpo-pop ng ears namin and also nakikita namin yung bundok, seems like mababa, pero kita na yung clouds. Nagmi-meet na sila. So, we're here at Benguet already, Cannon Road. We're at 420 meters elevation or around 1 feet high. Kaya naman pala. Let's go! Info lang. Hello, currently we are at the winding road and as I shared kanina about nakakabore sa T-Plex because it's a long straight path, I realize sometimes you need to accept what it is because it's either straight or curve lang naman. So choose your battles. And now we're here at the winding road. Let's go. This is the view. We're now here at Lion's Head. Stopover lang before we go to Baguio. Busy magbasa. Yeah. Para sa taong mahilig magbasa, we have another info. May airport na daw sa Baguio. Let's go. So, we are now here at Baguio at 2:12 p.m. I can say after going back, and then I can say going back in Baguio after ilang years, from 2019, I've been here. Iba talaga yung feeling going to Baguio kasi para siyang location compact in a high elevation place. Kaya destination siya, puntahan talaga. No, so with that, ang sarap bumalik sa Baguio once in a while. So with that, let's go. Let's enjoy. Mini tacos. Ta-da! With sauce. Ta-da! With happy. Nice. We also have cakes. Puff at Good Taste Restaurant. Sarap. So amazing. Our order is delivered by a robot. Nice. Happy Kid is here. Nice.
Thank you, Robot.
Thank you. Bye. Here's the food.
Ano ba?
Nakaka-humble because at nakaka-reminisce ang sarap ng ganitong sausawan.
Yes, it's like USD.
Sili at kalamansi. USD days! Tada! Yeah! Mango shrimp curry and Ruins espresso with my prep. Tasting this one, mango shrimp curry. Let's see. It's our first night in Baguio. Currently it's 21 degrees and the weather, the coolness is tolerable. We're walking since we had BYD charge at Soto Grande Hotel and then explore lang kami for now. Walking as we always are. Pizza Volante. Oh, pizza. Hi. 30 minutes before my birthday. 35th one. Let's go. Thank you, Lord. We're walking towards the BYD because may regalo sa akin si Pre. Tada! We're gonna make it work. Let's go. Yay! our little happiness. Thank you, Lord. No, we're still walking to Soto Grande. Kung madadaan sa sorry ang lahat, para saan pa ang parak? Can you guess what parak means?
I don't know, maybe bato
Bato. Para saan pa ang bato?
or kahoy.
Para saan pa ang kahoy? How does it relate? Can you guess more?
I don't know.
Kung nadadaan sa sorry ang lahat,
Latigo.
para saan pa ang mga parak?
Latigo.
Latigo? Para saan pa ang mga latigo? Because you use latigo for sinners?
I don't know what to do.
Oh,
guessing.
it's a person.
With a person. Parak.
Parak is what related to kung nadadaan sa sorry ang lahat. What's your guesses,
Police,
guys?
police.
Correct! Wow, what a great guess. Why did you think that?
Wala. Eh, sabi ko sino ko ba mag... Naisip
Yeah.
ko sunod na tanong pag mali.
Yeah.
Judge.
Judge. But you answered police, which is, yeah. Kasi parang,
Parak is police in Tagalog.
I don't know, baka deeper Tagalog.
Wow.
Yeah.
May deeper Tagalog pa lang.
Tanan! Yes, binaiwan na naman.
Wait.
Yeah. Pre, may I ask, as I start my 35th year of life, thank you, Lord,
Yeah.
what do you think can we be our mantra or manifestations or based on what we talk about today, as always? So, what do you think?
We're right where we need to be, girls.
Thank you, my loves, for that.
Yes.
Ako naman, what I was reminded today, we talk about before, past, present, and future. Now, dagdagan natin that we can learn from our past. Today is the only thing that we have. And by then, we can influence our future.
Yeah, I will add to that.
Okay.
We should learn to
Yes.
be happy in the present.
Because
the present is where the future is written.
the present is where the future is written. Nice.
Or
Which,
decided, or whatever word.
yeah, which is also an outcome of the past. So, magkakadugtong. Yeah.
Always thankful for the present.
Yeah.
And patient. Hindi na nagmamadali because you are neither rush nor delayed.
Yeah. Sabi nga sa Ecclesiastes,
Lord.
there is a season for everything.
Yeah.
Let's go! We have now a song. Our theme song for our Baguio trip. Hit it, bruh! Meron na wala golek.
Olivia.
We are now in Baguio.
I don't know what that is.
Ikaw ano? Other thing na I want to be reminded of eh, sabi ni Derek a while ago, ang daming pwedeng mangyari in a year. Actually, maraming ang pwedeng mangyari in a day. So, it is truly a blessing to be having another birthday. Something to look forward. Yeah. Something to be hopeful for, as always. Yeah! How many minutes we are left before 12? My birthday sa Luwang! How many minutes, per?
It's now 5 minutes left. We will be there mga 11.
No, what time is it now?
Mga 40 something. Almost 50.
11:40
We'll be
na.
there mga almost 11:50 plus.
Wow! A few more minutes before my birthday!
Yes.
Yeah, I met my friend. My forever person. It's 11:59. Yeah. Yeah!
Shane.
Kiss.
Happy birthday, girls.
Thank you. With that, my present gift to me. I'm so happy. Let's go. The gift of Pre to me. It's the Van Gogh Starry Night Notebook. The best gift.
We cannot open.
Thank you, my love. I'm so kilig. Thank you, my friend. Excited na ako kung ano ang laman ng letter. It's a special birthday letter for me by my friend. Ube Bingka. Here at Shepherd Cafe. Thank you. We're going to Nicoya. Stationary things like mga arts. Grabe, para tong Batu Caves. I love it. We came from Good Shepherd. Wala lang silang tinitindang jam since nasa main store nila siya. But we experienced their ube bingka. Okay, for a breakfast. Let's go. It's my birthday today. Louisa's Cafe. Louisa's Mami Special. Yay, with my friend on my birthday. We're now here in Nicoya. This is the place. Let's have these. Let's have these. And what a wonderful area here at Coffee. We're now going to Benguet. Atok Benguet.